This tutorial will walk you through the basic steps of preparing your data and creating KPIs for visualization. To begin the data preparation process, add data source. Once you have the data, navigate to the data preparation editor. Here's how to start. Expand the data source menu and select the data model you want to edit. Now you can see data preview, where you can rename columns, hide data, or change data formatting. This tool allows you to add calculated columns or convert existing ones into a new format. For example, we have two columns that reflect customer counts and wish to add a new column that displays the overall number of customers. This is how you do it. Click Add Column, change the data format to number, and rename the column Total Customers. Enter the first column's name into the formula bar Active Customers plus Customers per country. Apply the changes and we'll have a new column ready for visualization. Another useful feature is the ability to create KPIs and metrics. In this dataset, we have two columns, total revenue and expenses. We want to determine the total profit. Here is how. Click Add Measure. Rename the measure as Total Profit. In the formula bar, type Sum Revenue, as we have a column named Revenue, and subtract Sum Expenses. Click Apply to see the result. If you require extra assistance, please visit our support page and follow the more extensive guides about the data preparation process. The right tools to get the job done. Ajelix, data visualization made fast and easy for busy people. Register and start creating on ajelix.com.